Congratulations on the purchase of your new bio. Cleaning can be complicated, so with bio, we kept things simple. In just a few easy steps, your bot will be ready to go. Each box contains bio, a self-empty charging station, a spare dust bag, 2 side brushes, a spare filter, a cleaning tool, a mop attachment, 2 microfiber mops, as well as your owner's manual, quick start guide, and warranty card. Before starting, remove the protective pieces from bio's bumper and station. First, install the bot's side brush. Place the side brush over the empty socket on bio. Press down to click and lock in place. Then power bio on. Press and hold the Go button until his screen lights up. Next, set up bio's charging station. Place the charging station over the sockets on the charging bed. The sockets on the charging bed fit into the charging station on its front. Position the charging station against a wall on a hard, flat surface, away from edges and stairs, with plenty of empty space around it. To charge bio manually, place him on his charging bed with the metal nodes on his back resting against the plates on the station. To send bio to the charging station, press the charge button on him. When bio is charging, the battery indicator on the screen will blink slowly. When fully charged, the battery indicator will shine white. Download the bObsweep mobile app on your iOS or Android mobile device. Create your account and connect the app to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home device for voice control. Follow the instructions to connect your bot and gain access to bio's full suite of features and important software updates. Equipped with room-to-room cleaning technology, bio automatically explores, maps, and cleans your home in straight lines, avoiding furniture and obstacles along his path. For the best navigation results, keep all doors open and remove any clutter before bio starts his work, and then press the Go button located on the bot. You can also send bio to clean through the bObsweep app. When bio is low on battery, the battery indicator will blink rapidly, and he will automatically return to his charging station. By default, bio self-empties his dustbin after he's done cleaning. It can be a loud experience, but it is important for the first few times that bio cleans the house, as he will likely fetch a significant amount of debris from under your furniture and other hard-to-reach areas. If after a while, you notice bio does not need to self-empty after every clean, check his dustbin after he's done cleaning and define how often the bot will self-empty under Cleaning Preferences on the bObsweep app. To avoid distorting his map, do not pick up bio while he's cleaning. Also, avoid changing the location of bio's charging station after he's done mapping the house. The bObsweep app gives you personalized control over bio's cleaning. Use it to schedule bio and design your customized cleaning experience. Happy cleaning!